Just copy this video link, paste it in this new website which will do all the work for you, and you can just relax and watch your earnings. Today, I will show you a live demonstration of completely new website which has helped me to earn over $12,000 per week and which you can use to make money online 2022 for completely free. And in the end of this video, I will show you a bonus trick to help you make 10 times more money than other. So like this video and comment down below the topics you want me to create more videos on, like make money online watching videos, how to make money online on YouTube, online earning apps, or any other topic which you want me to cover on this channel, and you will get a video on that topic within 1 week. So let's start with the video. Now the first step is to come over to Google and search for gglot. Select this first site of gglot.com and click on it. That's going to take you to the homepage of this website, where you can find different services related to translation, transcription, auto subtitles, and many more. Also, you can find different tools like MP3 to text, MP4 to text, English to Chinese translation, and much more. So, gglot is a website powered by advanced AI, which will help you to add subtitles or captions to your videos in more than 100 different languages, and it will also help you to transcribe and translate your video or audio files for a very cheap price. But we want to make money online with this new website. Until now, it might sound a little confusing, but it's all gonna make sense in the end of this video, and you will be able to make over $12,000 using this website, so stay tuned until the end. And for this, the second step, I want you to register yourself on gglot so that you can access all these features for absolutely free. So just click on login button on top right corner of homepage, and on next page, click on the sign up option in the bottom of this page. And here on this page, you have to fill in simple information. Then click on register to register yourself on gglot. Once you log into this website, your dashboard will look like this, and gglot will provide you with $1 as sign-up bonus, which you can use to create projects on this website. I am already using this new website to make money online for months now, and that's why I still have $50 balance in it. Now, to show you live demonstration of how this website works, the third step is to come over to transcription section on the left-hand side and click on it. It will take you to this page where you can upload your video or audio file, and you can transcribe it to text format. And as you can see, you will get your first 2 minutes of transcription for completely free on gglot. Now you can upload your video or audio files from browse option right here, or you can simply just copy the YouTube video URL and paste it in this box if you want to transcribe any YouTube video. So, for example, if we select some YouTube video for this, like this one YouTube video right here, just open this video, and from this page, click on the share icon under this video and copy the URL of this video from copy option right here. Now come back to gglot and paste your link in this box. Then select the language of this video, which in this case is English and United States. Also, select the number of speakers in that video, which in my case is just one speaker, so I will just select one in this box, and I will just click on upload to upload this video on gglot. And after processing, it will ask you for automatic transcription or human transcription. Getting human transcription will cost you a $20 approx, but getting automatic transcription will cost you only 40 cents, which will be deducted from the $1 sign-up bonus which you received in the starting. So overall, you will get this automatic transcription for completely free. So let's click on automatic transcription. And as you can see, your transcription is in progress. So let's just wait for it. And as you can see, in just 2 minutes my transcription is ready. Now I can see my transcripted video by clicking on open button right here. And here is my video, transcripted into text format. gglot provides you with 99% accuracy. That is reason why I use this website. And if you find any mistake, you can easily correct that by selecting the mistake and replacing it with the correct words. You can simply click on play button over here, and it will start the YouTube video. And you can see the words spoken in the video as words highlighted in our script under this video. Now you can save this transcripted file on gglot from here. You can translate this file into some other language, which I will cover later, or you can just simply export this transcripted file. And I will suggest you to export the file and save it in your device. And now the fourth step is to come over to translation section from left-hand side and click on it. As you can see, here you will find only those files to translate which you have already transcribed in this website. Like this file, which we just transcribed from a YouTube video to text file. So when you will click on open button right here, it will take you to this page where you can translate your files from one language to another. It will show you the original language of this file here, and you can translate this language into 100+ different languages by selecting the language from target language option right here. For example, if I want to convert it into French of Canada, then I will select this option of French Canada, and in translation type, I will select the subtitles because I want it to be in the subtitles form, but you can also choose documents option if you want to. Then simply click on the translate button next to it. And as you can see, in just 5 to 10 seconds, gglot translated the video script into French Canada. So let's open this script, and on this page, you can see your English script translated into Canadian French language. Now, you can save this file on gglot, but I will suggest you to export it to your device from this export option right here. So this translation was in subtitles form, and that's why it is like this, every sentence separated from another sentence. But if we do the same translation in document form by selecting French in Canada and document in translation type, we will get different results. Now the fifth step is to make money with all of these services which we have learned till now in this video. So there are 2 methods to make money with it, and the second one will help you to make more money than others easily and effortlessly. Starting with the first method to make money with gglot is to come over to this website called People Per Hour. This a freelancing website like Fiverr and Upwork, but on Fiverr there is a lot of competition and it is hard to sell your services there. And in that comparison, people per hour has less competition and you will be able to sell your services faster here than on Fiverr. Now if you hover your mouse over writing and translation section, it will show you all the different services you can sell here as a freelancer. And here you will find both the translation and transcription service. So if you click on transcription services over here, you can see that people sell these services for $15 for 15 minutes, $60 for 60 minutes, and even for $80 for 60 minutes, which means they sell these services for approximately $1 per minute. And in comparison to this, you can get all this done for just 10 cents per minute on Gglot. So, if you get the order for $80 for 60 minutes, you can get this done for just $6 on Gglot, and you can keep a profit of $74 per order. Same as, if you get this order of $60 for 60 minutes, you can get this done for $6 on Gglot, and you can keep a profit of $54. Now, because you are watching till now, I would like to show you this bonus website where you can earn $1.5 per minute for transcription services and $5 to $12 per minute for translation services. The name of this website is Rev.com. This is very renowned and trusted website where you can sell services from Gglot. I am using Gglot myself and I have got 99% accuracy from it, and that's why Gglot is the best automatic transcription software for transcribers and transcriptionists. And it is very cost-effective and affordable service, as I just showed you. In the starting, you can use Gglot for free, and as soon as you start receiving orders from these freelancing websites, you can use that money to buy the premium membership of Gglot, which will really help you to earn big money online. You will find the link to Gglot in the description of this video, from where you can register yourself for free and start earning money from today itself. Now the second method to make money with Gglot is by referring other people to this website. So just click on referral section right here, and as you can see, you will get $5 per referral if they sign up using your link, which you can find here. Your referral must fulfill all these 3 conditions, and after that you will get paid $5 per person you refer to Gglot. That's it for today, and if you want to make more money using mobile apps, then you can click on the right video showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.